Hi guys, today I'm going to take you through the process of replacing the spout for your kettle mini tap. The first stage of this process is to turn off the power on the front of the water boiler. We're now going to go up to the tap and draw off the boiling water from the system. We've now drawn off the boiling water from the system. We're now going to isolate the water via the green handle shut-off valve. We've isolated the water via the green handle shut-off valve, and just before I remove the spout, I'm just going to draw off any remaining water in the system. That's the filtered side. And do the same for the boiling side. With both the water and power now isolated, we're going to simply remove the spout. If you look here, you've got a little split line. We're just going to grip just above that and just rotate this collar here. Just unscrew that. When you pull the old spout out, you'll get a bit of water residue. It'll just come out like so. Yeah. Going to remove the elastic band and the bag attached to it. I'm going to place the spout into position, ensuring it's in a vertical position. Push it down, so you've got 2 clicks. Just tighten up the spout trim. The spout, a bit of a rotate, it's all moving nice and freely. What we're going to do now, next, is to turn on the water via the green handle shut-off valve. We're going to turn on the filtered water, make sure there's no leaks around here and here. Then do the same for the boiling water. Again, just checking for no leaks, which is all good. So once that's done, the next step is to turn on the power to the water boiler. Once the heating cycle is complete, that's the spout change done.